Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 7th, 2018, and I wanted to show you our Funky Pink Begonia seedlings here. And whoops, sorry about the water bottle. That we transplanted, and you can see them growing. And that one there in the back, you can't see it too well, I'm sorry about that. But I wanted to give you an update on this. You can see they have grown a lot more than what they were when they were just in the peat pellets. And they're starting to branch out some. I just wanted to give you this update video. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.